Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving deep into the world of high-performance gaming monitors. We'll be comparing three absolute beasts, the Acer Predator X27U, the Sony INZONE M10S, and the ViewSonic Elite XG341C-2K. These monitors are packed with cutting-edge technology, offering stunning visuals, blazing fast refresh rates, and immersive experiences. So, which option is the best fit for your needs? Watch till the end to find out the overall winner. I've included purchase links in the description box below, so be sure to check those out. Be sure to like and subscribe to support the channel. Your engagement helps me continue creating content like this. Let's get started! The Acer Predator X27U is a high-performance gaming monitor that seamlessly transitions into a powerful tool for creative work. This OLED display boasts a 240Hz refresh rate, ensuring smooth and responsive visuals for fast-paced games. Its exceptional color accuracy and deep blacks make it suitable for tasks like photo and video editing. Its sleek design features thin bezels and a sturdy stand that offers tilt, swivel, and height adjustments. A variety of connectivity options, including HDMI 2.1, DisplayPort 1.4, and USB-C with power delivery, ensures compatibility with various devices. The built-in KVM switch is a standout feature, allowing you to control two computers using a single keyboard and mouse. The OLED panel takes center stage, delivering stunning picture quality with vibrant colors, deep blacks, and excellent contrast ratios. The high refresh rate ensures smooth motion and minimal input lag, making it ideal for competitive gaming. Additionally, the monitor supports HDR, delivering a wider dynamic range and more realistic visuals. OLED technology offers significant advantages over LCD technology. Its self-emissive pixels can be individually controlled, resulting in perfect blacks and infinite contrast ratios. This translates to more vivid colors and deeper shadows, particularly noticeable in dark scenes. Its 240Hz refresh rate and low response time make it a dream for gamers. Fast-paced games like first-person shooters and real-time strategy titles benefit immensely from the smooth and responsive visuals. The high resolution and wide color gamut further enhance the gaming experience. Beyond gaming, the X27U is a valuable tool for creative professionals. The accurate color reproduction and wide color gamut make it suitable for photo and video editing, graphic design, and content creation. The OLED panel's ability to display deep blacks and subtle details is particularly beneficial for tasks like color grading and image retouching. It's a premium monitor with a high price tag. However, its exceptional performance, advanced features, and stunning visuals make it a worthwhile investment for serious gamers and creative professionals. If you prioritize top-tier display quality and a seamless gaming experience, the X27U is a strong contender. It's a versatile monitor that excels in gaming and creative work. Its impressive specifications, including a high refresh rate, OLED panel, and KVM switch, make it a compelling choice for those seeking a high-performance display. The Sony INZONE M10S is a high-performance gaming monitor that pushes the boundaries of display technology. This 27-inch OLED panel boasts an impressive 480Hz refresh rate and a 0.03 millisecond response time, making it one of the fastest gaming monitors on the market. It's designed for competitive gamers who demand the absolute best in terms of speed and responsiveness. It features a stunning walled panel with micro lens array technology, delivering deep blacks, vibrant colors, and high brightness. It supports HDR, allowing for a wider dynamic range and more realistic visuals. While the 1440p resolution might seem limiting compared to higher resolutions, it offers a good balance between performance and image quality. The monitor's design is sleek and minimalist, with a sturdy stand that offers tilt, height, and swivel adjustments. However, the lack of USB-C connectivity is a notable omission at this price point. It supports DisplayPort 2.1, enabling high bandwidth and high refresh rates. While this is a promising technology, it's currently limited by the availability of compatible GPUs. In terms of gaming performance, the M10S excels. The fast refresh rate and low response time result in smooth and responsive gameplay, reducing input lag and enhancing overall responsiveness. The monitor's accurate color reproduction and high contrast ratio further enhance the gaming experience. While the M10S is undoubtedly a top-tier gaming monitor, its high price tag may be a deterrent for many. For those who prioritize the ultimate gaming performance and are willing to pay a premium, it's a compelling choice. However, for those seeking a more balanced approach, other options with higher resolutions and more features may be more suitable. Ultimately, it's a niche product aimed at a specific audience of competitive gamers who demand the absolute best. While it offers exceptional performance and cutting-edge technology, its high price and limited feature set may not justify the cost for many users. The ViewSonic Elite XG341C-2K is a premium gaming monitor that offers an immersive and visually stunning experience. This 34-inch ultra-wide display boasts a 3440 by 1440 resolution, a 200 Hz refresh rate, and mini LED backlighting with 1152 dimming zones. Its sleek design features thin bezels and a sturdy stand that allows for tilt, swivel, and height adjustments. The curved screen with a 1500R curvature provides a more immersive viewing experience, drawing you into the action. The monitor's build quality is excellent, with a premium feel and solid construction. Its mini LED backlighting technology is a major highlight. It enables the monitor to achieve high brightness levels and deep blacks, resulting in excellent contrast and vibrant colors. The 200 Hz refresh rate ensures smooth and responsive gameplay, reducing motion blur and input lag. However, it's important to note that overclocking the monitor to 200 Hz disables FreeSync and FL'd, which may be a significant drawback for some users. The monitor's wide color gamut and high brightness make it suitable for both gaming and content creation. It can accurately reproduce a wide range of colors, making it ideal for photo and video editing. The high brightness level ensures that the display remains visible even in bright room conditions. It delivers impressive performance in gaming and content consumption. The high refresh rate and low response time make it ideal for fast-paced games, while the wide color gamut and high contrast ratio enhance the overall viewing experience. The monitor's accurate color reproduction ensures that content is displayed as intended. It offers a wide range of connectivity options, including HDMI 2.1, DisplayPort, and USB-C. This makes it compatible with various devices, including gaming consoles, PCs, and laptops. The USB-C port with DisplayPort functionality allows for a single cable connection to compatible devices, simplifying the setup process. It's a high-performance gaming monitor that offers a compelling blend of features and performance. Its stunning display, fast refresh rate, and wide range of connectivity options make it a great choice for gamers and content creators alike. However, the high price tag and the trade-offs associated with overclocking may limit its appeal to some users. If you're looking for a top-of-the-line gaming monitor that can handle demanding games and provide a visually stunning experience, it is definitely worth considering. However, it's essential to carefully evaluate both the advantages and potential drawbacks before making a decision. So, which monitor is the best pick for you? The Acer Predator X27U strikes the perfect balance for both gamers and creators with its OLED display, 240 Hz refresh rate, and exceptional color accuracy. The Sony INZONE M10S offers ultra-fast 480 Hz refresh rates, perfect for competitive gaming, but its high price and limited features might not justify the cost for many. Meanwhile, the ViewSonic Elite XG341C-2K delivers an immersive ultra-wide experience with mini LED tech, ideal for cinematic gaming but slightly slower in refresh rate. The overall winner is the Acer Predator X27U. It offers the best combination of OLED display, 240 Hz refresh rate, and exceptional color accuracy, making it ideal for both gaming and creative work.